Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. On the menu today, and as you can see right there, we're going to do potato and chickpea curry in coconut. Really, really, really delicious. Healthy, vegetarian and vegan. Let's get on with it. Okay, let's jump in and take a look at what we have. So I've got potatoes here. What I've done with my potatoes is I've peeled them and I boiled them for just 3 minutes. So they're still pretty hard. Just 3 minutes, drained them off. You can do it with raw potatoes if you want, just takes a little bit longer, just gives them a little head start. Here I've got some chickpeas or chana. What I've done here is I'm using a can, I've washed them in some cold water. If you're going to use it from a can, give it a nice little rinse. 1 onion sliced, some cilantro or coriander, 1 tablespoon of garlic ginger, some green chilies fresh. And then here I've got 2 teaspoons of chili, 2 of cumin and 2 of coriander and 1 of turmeric. Couple of teaspoons of black mustard seeds and the same with cumin seeds, and here a little bit of garam masala powder. Let's get to the cooker. Okay, here we are at the cooker. Now before we get started, I didn't show you the coconut milk, which I'm going to be adding to this a bit later on. So I've got some oil in there. I'm using a sunflower oil. We're going to start off by dropping in the black mustard seeds and the cumin seeds. Just for a few seconds, let them do their thing in the oil. They'll infuse the oil, give it a really nice flavour. And then we're going to go in with our onion and our potatoes straight away, get them in. And like I say, they've only had 3 minutes in boiling water just to give them a little bit of a head start, so they're still very firm. Okay, about 4 minutes or so. We're on a above medium heat. Keep this moving. I'll be back then. So just getting a little bit of colour here on the onions. We're now going to drop in our garlic ginger paste, 1 tablespoon of garlic ginger paste. Salt, and then we're going to go in with our powders. So we've got 2 teaspoons of chili, coriander and turmeric, and chili, coriander and cumin, and 1 of turmeric. In that goes. We're also now going to add in our fresh chili. We're also going to add in now our cooked chickpeas, and we're going to go for another 4 minutes. Stirring pretty much all the time now. Beautiful. Very simply, we're going to add in about 300 ml of coconut milk. We're going to stay on this fairly lively heat for about 2 minutes. Then I'm going to lower the heat and let it go until our potatoes are nice and tender. So easy. That's beautiful. So that was about 4 or 5 minutes after the 2 minutes of high heat went on to a nice low heat. And as you can see, we've got a nice colour there from the turmeric and the spices, and it's thickened up really nicely. Check that for salt. You might want to add a bit more. I'm good. A little pinch or 2 of garam masala powder. We're going to go in with some fresh cilantro or coriander. We're going to give that a mix and we are done. That is really delicious. I love this one. I'll see you at the table in a moment. There we go, done. Beautiful stuff. Nice and easy, healthy, vegan, vegetarian, delightful. Please do subscribe to our channel, give us a thumbs up and leave a comment, say hi. All three of them help us out a great deal. We'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thank you very much for taking time to watch our cooking videos. Hope you enjoyed them. Lots going on. We've got a new vegan channel, which we're trying to promote at the moment. Just 100% vegan, so please check that out. Chef June has started his own Filipino cooking channel. He's still going to be appearing here with me on how to cook great, but he started his own one. And we've got Rahel, who's doing great stuff on her Amharic or Ethiopian cooking channel. So if you're into either of those things or those three things, please check them out. The links might pop up here or they'll be down below. If you'd like to support the channel, which I really do hope you do, you can by buying us a cup of coffee. It's going to cost you a couple of dollars. Just follow the link, PayPal or whatever it is. Really would help us if you do that. I think that's about it. We're doing fine. We hope you're well. Subscribe to us. That helps us out a lot. Give us a thumbs up. We do like that. And more importantly, please do leave us a comment. We do like to hear from you and see what you're up to. That's it. Be safe. Be well. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.